Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make chapati. It's very easy. It's easier than you may think. So, for the ingredients, we need flour, um, salt, milk, or water. You can use either milk or water. It just depends on your preference. So for me, I decided to use some warm milk, and then after that you can just mix the ingredients to make a soft dough. Guys, remember you have to be patient with this process because our goal here is to break down the gluten and to have that perfect consistency. It's not too hard and it's not too soft, so enjoy the process.
taketones.com.
Hey guys, I forgot to mention that I use butter in this mixture, so you can use a little bit of butter. After you make your dough, let it rest for like 30 minutes just to make the dough softer and to let everything mix together. Do we say that? Anyway, after it has rested for like 30 minutes, then divide your dough into little pieces like I have done here, or you can just make your preference size, as big as you want or as small as you want. So I made my little buddies, small balls here, and I'm going to roll them out, and then after that I fry them.
taketones.com. taketones.com. taketones.com.
So guys, as you can see here, I am frying the chapati and buttering it a little bit just to make it crisp and to add that moisture. They are ready. It's actually a really easy recipe to make.
taketones.com. 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 TakeTones.com.
Hey guys, thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you next time.
TakeTones.com. TakeTones.com.